Now we're going to crack the glass. We're going to not crack it. No, Lord, that's not what I meant. We're going to put the glass in there, crack the package here, and install the glass. I also bought these glazier points today. And it cost around $30 for the glass. And this, the other glass for my Ford, that one wasn't available. I'm picking that up tomorrow, so we'll be putting that one together tomorrow. So tonight we're working on this. I'm going to complete it. I have a plan. Jesus just gave me a different plan here. We're not going to stain this glass because there's something special going on in my freaking brain. I've got to look into it, but I've got to put this together no matter what. See, there's the price. I can see the price there on the other side. $22.99. There you go. A bit of paper for the recycling bin. There you go. There's the glass. I'm going to slip it in there, guys. And I pray that it fits. In Jesus' name. Oh, yes, sir. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Now the poster is supposed to lay in there. I'm not even looking on the other side where it's placed. And there's the poster. Perfect. I'm going to be cutting a piece of cardboard here just to hold everything together. Be back. This paper, 222 again. This paper I bought at Staples. So I need to cut it. I bought two of these. I forget what the price was. I bought these quite a long time ago because I had this plan for many, many months Jesus gave me. So we're going to cut according to the measurement from side to side, right guys? This and this. Get a good piece of cardboard.